Okay, so in this video, this is tips number 2. So here we will learn that how to write effective prompt. Tips number 2. So that is provide context. So what is context? Context means suppose you are asking something and you want that Facebook response like such a way that suppose you assume that you are something. You assume you are something, and based on that you provide me the response. Okay, so here are few examples I will explain. I will show you in practically. Suppose here I have written explain gravity. Suppose you are asking ChatGPT or any other tools that explain gravity. So explain gravity, it will explain like a ordinary manner, or it common like a ordinary response it will generate. Okay, so explain gravity. But if you are asking explain the concept of gravity, so you are asking instead of gravity you are saying concept. You want to know the concept of gravity, as if you are teaching. Sorry, here is one spelling mistake. You are teaching it to a high school physics class. Suppose you respond such a way that what you will respond? You will respond the concept of gravity. That is your topic. Instead of explain gravity, you are writing concept of gravity. So you will explain concept of gravity. That is the topic. But how you will explain and where you will explain? You will explain. You will assume that you are a teacher. You are a teacher and you are explaining it in front of your student, like physics class student, high school student. You can replace anything. Suppose you are replacing it as if you are a professor in a marketing management university. You can suppose you can write explain the concept of gravity as if you are a professor. If you are a professor, you are teaching it in a management university. So in that case now that response will be more professional, the response will be more structured and organized and more accurate. Okay, so we will show what kind of response it generates. So the idea behind this, you need to provide context, that you give me this idea like concept, provide a concept, and you assume that you are a teacher, you are a professor, you are a expert chef, you are a expert marketer. So accordingly you provide that accordingly you provide the result. Okay, so here let me go explain gravity. So now we will write here explain gravity. You are asking so it will provide a generic answer, a common answer, a detailed information for experience purpose, for information purpose. You can take it. See, basic concept definition. What is gravity? Is Newton's law of universal gravitation. Example, key points, essential theory of general relativity, key concept, is there, effects of gravity. So it will though it is a detailed information, but it's little overwhelming because you want to know something exactly, some exact solution you want to know. But here it is a overwhelming information, a lot of information has been given. So now let me go to the advanced prompt. Explain the concept of gravity as if you are a teacher and you are teaching it in a high school physics class. Okay, so now let me go to the prompt. Let me paste it. You can replace your content, your ideas. See, all right classes, today we are going to dive into the fascinating concept of gravity. So you have already started explaining in front of your student, so it will be more simplified because you said it's a high school. If you would say that it's a management school, or you are a professor, in that case it would be more powerful. Okay, more powerful and more it would be more powerful, more structured, more professional. Okay, so here, what is gravity? You are asking this, what is gravity? Newton's law and universal gravitation. All these details are here. Breaking it down, everyday examples, Einstein's view of gravity, why is gravity important, simple classroom demonstration. See, as a teacher in front of your student, what kind of activities, how you will explain, it is simplified. Okay, this is it. Okay, so I think you have got the difference. It was little generic, more overwhelming information, but here you have got the specified information. Okay, so again I will take another example. So here I have mentioned 3. Let me take this example. Write a recipe. Suppose you are asking ChatGPT, write a recipe. What kind of recipe you want? You want veg recipe, non-veg recipe, and for whom? For whose age is 60 years, 50 years, or who is athletic person. So it is not clear. Again, it is not clear. So you need to provide context. How you can provide context? See, write a recipe, it will generate a random answer, random response. But if you ask, write a recipe for a vegan chocolate cake, so you are asking for a chocolate cake and it should be vegan, including step-by-step instruction and necessary ingredients. So those things are very important. So this is very strong keyword, step-by-step. As I told you earlier, I think step-by-step means it will provide step-by-step. Step 1, do this. Step 2, do this. Step 3, do this. Step 4, do this, like that way. So what do you want? You want to create a actually your goal is to create a vegan chocolate cake. That is your goal. And what you need necessary ingredients also, and step by step instruction also. So here you will get more specific answer. Okay, let's check. Suppose you are writing a recipe. So what ChatGPT will do is, ChatGPT will provide a generic answer, because it doesn't know that what recipe you are looking for, or who is your target audience, and all these things. See, based on its interest or keyword A, it will provide random response. So spaghetti carbonara recipe. I don't know what is it. If you know it, it's okay. If you don't know it, I don't know. Carbonara recipe. Anyway, it provided some response like 20 gram spaghetti, 100 grams this, 2 large eggs, 50 gram of pecorino. The tough things are there. Instruction, cook, and all these things. Instruction has been given, and tips given. Okay, but here it will provide a random example, random answer. Okay, but if you specify these things, suppose you want to create, your objective is, your goal is to create a vegan chocolate cake, and for this all these things, instruction and all those things you need. So now you are write a recipe for a vegan chocolate cake, including step-by-step instruction and necessary ingredients. So you are specifying, you are clarifying those things, that I want to create a vegan chocolate, I want to make vegan chocolate cake, so I need your instruction, I need the ingredients. So you are clarifying it, so you are providing context. That's why you will get a better response. See, vegan chocolate cake recipe, ingredients, what you want, 1 half cup of purpose flour, 1 cup granulated sugar, 1 cup cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, half spoon salt, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, half cup vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, half cup hot water. So given for the frosting. This is your ingredients it want. Again it has given the instruction, what kind of instruction you need to follow. So preheat the oven, you need to do the temperature and all those things. See, so you're based on your objective, based on your context, it has provided a detailed information. Prepare the cake but better on a bowl, better bake the cake, prepare the frosting, assemble the cake, serve and enjoy. So it has given tips, also given coffee enhancement, frosting, all the information also it's given. So now you can see the previously you got a different menu, different, the format was same, almost same, but the different response you got, because ChatGPT was not clear about the what is your objective, what is your outcome, what is your goal. Okay, so now you have provided context. You have provided context that I want to create a vegan chocolate cake. I want to create a vegan chocolate cake. So I need step by step your instruction and necessary ingredients. Those things I need. Okay. So I think it's pretty clear to you. I think it's pretty clear. Okay, so I think it's pretty clear to you that how you can provide context. So you need to provide context for getting better response out of it. Okay, so thank you, thanks for this video, and we will meet in the next video with tips number 3. Thank you.